Hello, hello, hello. Guess what? I got another Walmart beauty box. I swear I just got this, but I looked and it was a month ago. So this is the summer Walmart beauty box, and we are going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now you can join the Walmart beauty box. Also, you get 4 boxes a year. I think it's like $7. And they send it to you every season, and you get random stuff. Everybody gets different things. I do think that when I did it, they made you take like a survey, but that was years ago, and everything is different now. But let's just dig in and see what we got. So it is the summer survey box, and then they have like summer beauty box. But then they have like a code on here, so I don't know, but it's already like, it's already opened because there's some good stuff in here. So let's just, whoa. So if you guys are interested, all you have to do is like Google Walmart beauty box, but I love it. So here we have Summer Lovin' Had Me a Blast. Even though I'm wearing a Santa, you know, it's like, it says, oh my god, Santa's coming. I've been wanting to wear this shirt for like the last couple of days. But what they do is they give you a card in every single box, and it has a list of all the stuff that's going to be in the box, and then you don't know what it is. But there's one thing in here that I am actually really excited for, because I just went out and bought one of these not that long ago. So let's just, okay, I'm already interested in this box. So the first thing I see, and I kind of like it, are these Salon Perfect Mani to Go reusable nail set. This is, okay, full price. It looks like it is $4.94. So this is full size item, and it's a really pretty purple. It's like kind of almost the purple that I have, and then you can like stick your finger in the thing and be like, ooh, look at that. So they are a reusable nail set. I've never used reusable nails, but this is kind of cool. But for $4.94, we got a whole pack right there, and that is not even what I'm talking about. The next item we have is a Bolden Dark Spot Fix. Improves the look of dark spots and discoloration. The full size, okay, this is another full size item, you guys. This is originally $18.98. It says 1 ounce is $18.98, and right here it says 1 ounce. So this is a $20 value. A $20 value right here. But let's just dig it in. This is, oh my god, you guys, I think I got four full-size items in this box. This is the best box I probably ever received. But here it is. It's like a nice little bottle. But right here, this is 20 bucks. $18.98 right here. So that is awesome. Right now I'm looking at almost $25 worth of stuff for my $7 box, you guys. So there's that. Then the next thing we have is the Hask Argan Oil. Now I do know this is like the this is like a travel size, but this is a 5-in-1 leave-in conditions and detangles. I actually need this. I don't know if this is for a specific hairstyle, but we are going on vacation soon, and my daughter always gets knots in her hair, and this is actually perfect if this would work for her hair. But yeah. Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner, but that's fine. But the full size for this is $7.27. I know this is a travel size item, so let's just dig out the Walmart app and let's see what it scans as. So I definitely recommend the Walmart app if you guys do not have it. So I know this is a travel size item, so this is $3. $3 if you went and bought this at the store. $3. So we got that. Oh, they actually have something I've been really wanting to buy. Sweet! This is something I actually wanted to get. So this is the Clean Fresh Yummy, and it is lip gloss, you guys. This is, again, full size, and it is $7.98. $7.98. Oh, I wonder if this smells. So this is called Let's Get Physical. Not physical, but physical. I don't know if it has a scent, but If it is, it's like a, well, I have something else on my lips, so I don't know, but another full-size item, you guys. I cannot believe this. Now, this is what I saw that I am so excited for. It is a Glamour Glitter Bonnet Cap. Now, I don't know if this would work for me, but I want to say this, I don't know if it's for special kind of hair. Okay, I would use it as a, I thought this was going to be a, oh, what would you call it? A shower cap. I thought it was going to be a shower cap, but it is like a bonnet. So I know some of you guys do use it. I wouldn't use it, but I just love it. I'm sorry, but I'm just going to use it anyways. I love it. You could use it as a cool little hat. I might have a friend, actually I might have a neighbor that might use it. But I like it. It is very pretty and very silky. So this is another full-size item, and this is $3.97. $3.97 for a full bonnet. I thought it was going to be a shower cap, but that is okay. This is kind of something that I could use when I put my makeup on and stuff, and I have my hair all nice and all that stuff. But this is extra large, and it's called Pink Pearl. So that was everything in my box, you guys. I could not believe it. This is the best box that I have ever had. They also had some cheek tint. They had Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. They had some Scooncy, I don't know if it's scrunchy or Scooncy, no damage elastic hairbands. That would have been nice to get. They also had a Sally Henson Pro Nail Kit Salon. So yeah, they had a bunch of different stuff today, but I am actually happy with what I got. So let's just dig in and see how much everything costs. So if you guys went to the store today and you bought this bonnet, you would pay $4. $4 for this nice little bonnet, which is kind of cool. I've never seen anything like this. Then you would go and get your nails did. Okay, we're gonna get our nails did, and you would end up paying $4 or $5 for this. So right now we are at $7. $7 for those two items. Those two items right there pays for this box. But then we are going to get our lip gloss, which is $8. So right now we're at 15 bucks. $15, okay? And then we have the Hask leave-in conditioner. So that's 16, 17, 18 bucks right there. And then we have this dark spot fix. I feel like this box shouldn't have been for me. I think it should have been for somebody who is pale, who looks like a ghost. But I could still use it anyways. But and then this is 20 bucks right there. Best box ever. That's all I'm gonna say. Best box I have ever gotten from Walmart. I have never gotten this many full-size items. I have never gotten this much stuff. So if you guys are interested, definitely go ahead and join. Now if you join, you probably will get the summer box, since summer hasn't started yet. It's just about to start. But give it a try. You can always cancel anytime, but I think it's kind of fun. I love getting this kind of stuff. Target used to do Target beauty boxes, but they discontinued them. I was always thinking of maybe doing some other beauty stuff, but I don't know what I want to do yet. But I absolutely love getting the Walmart box because it's super cheap to get, and I like getting the sample stuff to use when we go on vacation. But again, you just have to join Walmart Beauty Box, and you guys can start joining. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.